We are MarketX, and we believe in making it possible for everybody to invest in the proven IPO startups they love. To buy shares, you need access and connections to the best deals, and then go through a lengthy legal process. We believe there should be an easier way, a way that changes the face of investing forever, connecting continents and people worldwide through our unique cross-border platform. That's why we built MarketX. Buy shares in your favorite pre-IPO startups, avoid the headaches and hassle of legal paperwork, and have opportunities for great returns on our secondary platform down the line.
I am a former investment banker myself. I've lived in London, New York, Hong Kong, and Singapore. I've seen for myself the growing demand for alternative assets. Maybe 10 years ago, alternative assets is seen as the wild, wild west. But today, high net worth individuals and also mass affluent investors are looking for the next Airbnb to invest in. We have seen many successful IPOs recently with Airbnb, Affirm, and also DoorDash going IPO with triple to quadruple digit returns. For years, the institutions have acted like private members-only clubs. However, today, individual investors are becoming more sophisticated and they want to get access to PEVC just like the 0.1%. At MarketX, we offer both pre-IPO companies in the US and Asia. As of today, we have now invested in Meituan, ByteDance, and Douyu. Many of you probably have heard of TikTok. The parent company ByteDance actually has grown significantly in the last few years. In just 6 months, we invested and had a 400% return in this company. And it's not just about China. Southeast Asia today is home to 8.5% of the world's population. We have seen the rises of these superstars such as Grab, Gojek, Traveloka, and Tokopedia, which are backed by the world's leading powerhouses such as SoftBank, General Atlantic, and Temasek. Mass affluent and high net worth individuals also want a piece of that pie, and why shouldn't they have it?
We're on a mission to give everybody the opportunity to invest in their favorite startups in the easiest possible way. So why not sign up today? Visit us at themarketx.cn and follow us on WeChat.